If you've been saving different videos, reels, or images on Instagram for a long time but now can't find them, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to access them. First, open your Instagram profile. At top right corner, you will find this option. Tap on it. Now, look for the first option, which is Saved. Tap on it, and here, you will find all the posts you've saved on Instagram. If you want to see only the saved videos, go to the Videos section. If you want to view all saved posts, you can check them here. You can also delete them or manage them however you like. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.